Are you ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency using Venmo? In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple steps to send Bitcoin on Venmo to your wallet in 2025. Let's get started. Opening hook. Imagine being able to send Bitcoin as easily as sending a text message. With Venmo, this is not just a dream, it's a reality. Today, we will show you how to navigate the Venmo app to send Bitcoin effortlessly. Open the Venmo app. Launch the app on your device and log into your account. Access the crypto sections. Tap on the crypto tab at the bottom of your screen. Here you will find various cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin. Select Bitcoin, choose Bitcoin BTC from the list of available cryptocurrencies. You will see its current market value displayed. Initiate the transfer. Click on the send button, enter the recipient's Venmo username or scan their QR code. Enter amount. Specify how much Bitcoin you wish to send. Remember, you can only send Bitcoin to other Venmo users. Review transaction details. Check the transaction summary including any fees associated with sending Bitcoin. Confirm and send. Once everything looks good, hit send to complete your transaction. You can only send Bitcoin to other Venmo users. External transfers are not supported. Ensure you have completed to know your customer KYC verification process if prompted. Keep in mind that there are weekly and yearly limits on how much crypto you can buy and send. And there you have it. Sending Bitcoin on Venmo is straightforward and quick. Just remember, while Venmo makes it easy to handle cryptocurrency transactions, always be cautious and ensure you're sending funds securely. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy trading.